What's a dish that you've eaten that you still think about?
Yeah.
A dish I've had that I still think about.
I had this dish in Valencia, Spain, and I've been to this restaurant twice in my life, which I've been lucky enough to do.
There was a dish I had when I was in Korea back in 2016, and I haven't been back since. I really need to go back.
Recently, I was just in Singapore and I had carrot cake for the first time. And Singaporean carrot cake is not at all like, there's no carrots in there.
I mean, that's my mom's misiote.
My grandmother's spiced apple cake, or my grandmother's apple. It's really, we call it a sticky apple pudding, but it's a cake. It's like an apple cake.
There was like a lobster pasta I had in New Orleans that I think about every night before I go to bed.
It is a toast with almost like a bacalao custard on it that is bruleed on top, and it's just I think about it all the time, and I always wonder how they do it, and I always wanted to make it myself, and I've never been able to duplicate it, but it is just, I dream about it. It's good.
It's like a turnip-based like omelet, I would say, and it was just so savory and delicious and spicy and just had so many layers to it. So I really enjoyed that a lot. That's something that like sticks in my mind recently.
It's a lamb barbecue style, but on a tamal, but without dough. It's like a barbecue lamb. Delicious, delicious. Like every time I go back home, my mom knows that she needs to bring me at least 20. So I can eat 2 and then take the rest back home. So misiotes de carnero. I think that's something that I always want.
It's spectacular. I think it's like not 90%, maybe 9% of the reason my husband married me. I think that cake locked it in. It's so good. We do like a toffee sauce on top, and it is just a spectacular cake. We make it at the holidays, and I think my mom and I are both still getting better at making it. My grandmother used to always be the one to make it. She doesn't bake anymore, so I feel like we're getting there, though. We're getting pretty good at it. The first one we made, definitely we didn't bake long enough and it collapsed. but we're almost there, and it's a great cake.
It's soy sauce raw marinated crab, and I was at a Buddhist temple on the border of the southern tip of Korea, overlooking the Yellow Sea, eating this fresh soy sauce marinated crab that just oozed out of its shell when you squeezed it into your mouth. It's so delicious. It tasted so fresh, like they had just plucked it from the ocean and then marinated it in this delicious brine. It was so good. My mouth is watering talking about it. I dream about that. I know they serve it in restaurants here, but there's like a part of me, I think, that is holding off getting it here because I just don't want to mar that memory and like keep that precious, keep it secret, keep it safe. So I can't stop thinking about that. I want to go back there and have it there.
And because when I was a kid, I couldn't have them because they were so expensive to make, and my mom would make them to sell them, but I was just there seeing the whole process, and just the fact that I couldn't have one because they were so expensive, so it made me want it more, and now that I miss it more. So every time I go back, now I can afford it, I can buy the entire thing, but it just, it's something that I couldn't have when I was a kid. Now that I enjoy it, it's a misiote. Definitely misiote. Like, you want to see me happy? Get me a fucking misiote.
Everything